Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. Another week has gone where time goes absolutely scary Mary. Guys, hope you're having a fabulous week and are ready for a weekend. I'm at work this weekend. Ooh, boo. But never mind, I treated myself with some online shopping. Well, people said that money can buy happiness. Well, they can buy craft supplies, so it's the same thing, I guess. Right, guys, keep watching the tutorial. It's not a tutorial what I'm talking about. Keep watching the Friday freebie, and I will see you very soon. Okay, guys, so let's show you the Friday freebie of today. So the one that you're going to receive on my newsletter, and also you can find on my Facebook group, will be this one here. So it's a page. You've got two sort of like cards size and then 4 tags. Okay, so you can do what you want with this. So you can do greetings cards, you can do, you know, like postcards, you can make like vintage cards, and then again, these tags are super cute, so you can do what you want with it. Let me quickly show you the kit. This is part of my second ever bestseller called Autumn in the Fields. I cannot thank you enough for the sale of this kit. Honestly, I know how much you loved it, guys, and I must admit I love it too. And funny enough, every time I like a kit over something else, that kit seems to sell very well. So, but I don't know, it's because I like doing it. So when I do these sort of collages, I like doing it, so that I like these sort of pictures. Not that I don't like the other kits I've made, because of course I do like them, but the one I love most, it's so bizarre. It seems that you guys loved it too. I can only say thank you. So really quickly, so you get a full page background that you've got these lovely 4 postcards. And I want to show you a while ago, I made a video when I showcased the VIP papers pad for October that's gone out to my VIP members. I made 4 postcards, which is very similar, and it's literally super cute. So, you know, if you watch my video religiously, you know how much I love making postcards. So that's, oh no, what happened to you? I'll fix you in a minute. Love making postcards, or a list for vintage postcards. So anyway, chat a lot. Then you've got another full background, 2 pages for your journal, but again, you can do what you want with it. You can either fold it and create a huge envelope. Another background, so I love this one there. Very autumnal. Yeah. Then you've got an envelope and 3 butterflies, 3 different sizes. What I thought you could do, guys, is layer it up. So, but next week I'll do a separate project with this. So, some pussycat, some more butterflies. So I've got this one is probably my entire kit, my favorite page. Love it, very me. Then you've got background. Then what I did in here, let me explain you properly. So the original idea is to give you 4 cards background that you can do vintage card or greetings cards again, and then I layered the sunflowers on top, so give you 2 options. So you can either do that and then you just put your sentiment, I don't know, like happy birthday, thank you, thinking of you, anything that you want to do. Or again, I you use that as a background, and then you like layer on up, and then you add your own, you know, your own things. And this one, I got a couple of questions about this. They're not envelopes, they are cubes. Okay, so I thought if you want to do an advent calendar, or if you have I don't know, you do a party and you've got your autumnal table setting, this could be super cute little flavors. So you can just simply cut it and you make your own cube up, and that will, you can put your treats inside for your guests, or actually can be little gift presents. You can put chocolates, you can put jewelries, anything you like. But what I want to gift to you guys is this page here. all the tags. Now I'll show you in just a second my Facebook group. One of my creative squad member, lovely Rose, paper crafting with Rose, and I will put well, on my YouTube channels, on each video you see all the links for my creative squad team members. So Ross is part of my team, of course, and she showcased a lot of projects she's done with this kit. So I'll show you on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. You recognize the background, Antonio Makes. So if you type Antonio Makes one word on Facebook, you come up with my Facebook group. And this is the post that Ross has shared. Let me just make it bigger. So she made an easel card, wonderful, normal card, like a standard greetings card. And then she played with my boxes, with the cubes. Look how cute the boxes are when they're made up. So good. And then you got some more embellishments on the back. So on here you will see the link to Ross videos as well. And just a quick reminder, click on files. You see all my freebies from 25 years ago. No, from a couple of years. I think I've been sharing freebies for the last couple of years now on my Facebook group. So in there you can see all the complete list of freebies for you guys to save on your laptop or computer, to print off and enjoy and have loads of fun with. And big shout out today goes to the lovely Robin Sutton. Robin contemplated the idea of making pillow boxes for Christmas, for advent calendars. Also, because on a couple of weeks ago I shared my Halloween kit, and I showed you the pillow boxes, and I said actually if you do this for Christmas, there could be a quite easy, quick advent calendars idea, so you can put your treat or your presents inside. So yeah, well done Robin, great suggestion. Before we go, I just want to mention, as this is a giveaway, give something back to you, don't forget on my website, when you make a purchase, you automatically join my loyalty program, so you don't have to do anything. So every time you make a purchase, the system is allocate you stars point. Okay, I don't like the word points, I call them stars, of course, because I am sassy, so I have to name things differently. So every time you make a purchase, you get stars. Okay, so you get point. So I don't know, you make 2 purchases, you get so many stars. Once you reach every £5, every £10, you get some stars that you can use them to buy things for free on my website. I hope I'm making sense. So every total amount of money that you spend, you get points. Once you reach your treasure to spend your point, you can reinvest your point. So you don't have to do anything. The system will send you an email to say, you know, you reach 200 points, so you can get £5 voucher or £10 voucher. So you don't have to do anything. The system is amazing. That's why I pay what I pay for my website. So the system creates this general automatic email to say, oh, hello, you spend such and such, so you has such and such points, so you can reinvest the point to buy things on the website. You know how rubbish I am to explain things, but I'm hoping it's clear enough. Right guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, usual 3 ways to get this kit. So you can either join my newsletter. I send an email on Friday evening with the freebie to all my members on my newsletter. You can go to my Facebook group, and then in there you see all the files and you can download all the freebies, or simply send me an email, subject freebie, leave a lovely message, and I'll send you all the freebies in PDF, so you've got my entire collection. But if you join a newsletter today, you won't get this kit, so you will get the kit for next week, because the newsletter gets out at 9 p.m. British time. So by the time you watch this video, the newsletter will go out already. So what I suggest, join the newsletter now so you get the freebies going forward, and then either join my Facebook group. If you're not on Facebook, send me an email and I'll send you all the freebie or my catalogue of freebies, so you can download them, print them off and enjoy a life supply of freebies. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well.